Good morning to all of you. My name is Harun Ansari. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain food are synthesized. Eat for growth, repairs, maintenance, and reproduction, and for meeting the energy needs. Holozoic nutrition. The method of nutrition seen in majority animals is known as holozoic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, animals take in solid food such as fruit, vegetables, and meat. There are five steps in the process in this type of nutrition. Ingestion. It is the process by which the food is taken into body of organisms. Digestion. The food taken by animals are normally complex. The cell of body cannot make food of in this form. Complex food before it can be utilized by the body. The process of convert into simple and soluble form is known as digestion. Absorption. It is the process by which digested nutrients are absorbed by the intestine and transported to different part of body by circulatory system. Assimilation. It is the process of utilizing absorbed food materials for energy growth and development. Digestion. It is the process by removing undigesting food materials from the body in the form of feces. Human digestive system. The mode of nutrients in human is holozoic. The food ingested through the mouth pass through a number of organs in the body which constant alimentary canal or digestive tract. The alimentary canal along with the digestive glands is called digestive system. Organs of alimentary canal. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity contains tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. Food is taken into mouth. The tongue, jaw, and teeth work together grind the food. Digestion of food begins in the mouth. While chewing, we feel a watery liquid begins secretes in our mouth. This is saliva secreted by salivary glands. Saliva helps in the digestion of food. An enzyme amylase is present in saliva, which breaks down starch into sugar. Tongue is the organ used for the taste. It contains buds to distinguish a whether type of food, sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. Esophagus. It is a contact tube between mouth and the stomach. It is about 30 centimeter in length. The food pushed down towards the stomach by a series of contraction, relaxation of the muscles of food pipe. This rhythmic movement called peristaltic movement. Stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped bag-like structure made of muscles. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and open into small intestine at the other end. The stomach secretes mucus, gastric juice, and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills microorganisms, provide an acidic medium for effective digestion. Small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part of the digestive system. It is solid tube and is about 7 meters in length. It contains of three parts, namely duodenum, ileum, ileum in small intestine. The food mixed with bile juice and pancreatic juice. These are secreted by pancreas respectively. The bile helps in the bile helps breaks down starch into the bile helps the bile helps breaks down larger molecules of fat into smaller droplets. The pancreatic juice breaks down starch into simple sugar, amino acid and fats into fatty glycerol, and digestion of all components is called called digestion. It is the process. It is the food which is now its simple and soluble form. It simple and soluble absorbed is absorbed is absorbed small intestine into bloodstream. Absorption of food occurs through millions small finger-like projection on the inner walls of a part small intestine called ileum. These projection now as belly. The belly increases surface area for absorption. The absorbed intestine and transported through the bloodstream to various parts of the body so that they can be assimilated where required. The utilizing of absorbed nutrients into the cell components is called assimilation. Large intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. It is contents of three parts, namely cecum, colon, and rectum. It is helps in absorbing water and removing undigested solid waste from the body. The process of eliminating solid waste from the body is called digestion. And as it is the last part of the alimentary canal, its main functions expel semi-solid feces out in the body. Digestive glands, salivary glands. There are three pairs of salivary glands in located. They secrete saliva which contains amylase enzyme. Amylase work on starch and convert simple sugar. Liver. It is a reddish brown gland located in the upper part of the abdomen in the right side. It is It is large gland in the body. Body. It is secretes bile juice. It is secretes bile juice contents is stored in the gallbladder. The bile helps in breaking down and fat smaller droplet. Pancreas. It is a cream colored leaf like just located in the below. The secretes pancreatic juice into small intestine, which acts on carbohydrates and fats and protein convert and them into simpler substance. Thank you.